The National Weather Service in Lubbock, Texas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Childress County in the Panhandle of Texas until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm with a history of producing large hail was located 5 miles southeast of Memphis, moving east at 30 miles per hour. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northern Childress County. This storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure, and stay away from windows.